Have you ever watched a show on TV like House Hunters where they go around, look at houses, and then buy one? But what if you could do that in real life without having to sell your home first? Hey, I'm going to show you how the Knock Home Swap works. What's so cool about this option is that it allows you to look at a new place to buy, but don't have to sell your current house just yet. Hey everyone, I'm Mark Rawmaker and I run a mega icon real estate team called the Home Squad. We assist folks in buying and selling houses all over the country. We provide forward-thinking service and exceptional real estate experiences. Buying and selling a home can be stressful, tiring, and overwhelming. Not with us. We want the process to be fun, and we want to celebrate the joys with you. Now, before I get started, if you could do us a huge favor and go ahead and hit that like button, we would greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as we release videos all the time featuring our top listings, neighborhood spotlights, occasional music videos, and much more. You don't want to miss any of them. Finally, if you'd like our free real estate Buy Like a Pro or Sell Like a Pro guides, the links are down in the description. Okay, now let's get started. How to buy your home before you sell it using the Knock Home Swap. There are many real estate markets that are extremely competitive. If you're trying to purchase a house while probably selling your current one and you need cash from the sale deposit on a house, you may be discouraged by the options available to you. Multiple offers and cheap, quick moving inventory assist sellers in hot markets. These roadblocks are inconvenient for buyers, particularly those on a strict deadline before their existing property closes. The majority of individuals buy a new house by selling their current one first, then obtaining a new one with the money from the sale. It's considerably more difficult to apply for a mortgage while still owing money on your present property, regardless of how much cash you have available for your deposit. Your desire to sell has no relevance to the existing facts for lenders. So in these situations, you might want to see how Knock Home Swap can help. Knock allows home sellers who also are home buyers to make a non-contingent offer on a new home and close before renovating and advertising the previous home on the market. What is Knock? Knock is a technological firm that develops revolutionary home loan solutions such as the Knock Home Swap. It allows customers to buy a new home without having to sell their old one on the market first, and they can use their favorite real estate agent. They are not property flippers or their iBuyers. They engage with your realtor to sell your present house on the open market, ensuring that it sells quickly and for the highest possible price. They've been empowering people to move freely since 2015 by providing ease, predictability, and efficiency to home purchasing and selling, and they're thrilled to be collaborating with realtors from across the nation to deliver Knock Home Swap. How does it work? The Knock Home Swap permits you to purchase your new home before selling your old one for top dollar. Apart from getting your mortgage approved before your previous house sells, the Knock Home Swap process is fairly similar to the traditional home sale. First, you fill out an online application. Knock's two-step assessment normally takes 4 days. You'll be pre-approved for a home mortgage to pay the cost of your new home if you qualify. Then you purchase a new home. You'll be able to make an attractive non-contingent offer on a new house with Knock's pre-approval. Knock will then cover your former home's mortgage for up to 6 months after you move in. Next, get your previous house ready to sell. Collaborate with Knock and your agent to make your house market ready by doing repairs and renovations yourself or through Knock's contractor network. Knock actually offers a $25,000 interest-free loan for home renovations and home repairs. After you've moved into the new home, you can put your property for sale so that it's unoccupied and ready and easy for showings at any time. You'll then repay Knock's credit facility, overlapped house payments, and any Knock charges whenever your first home sells. Knock will establish a lien on your property if you accepted a home swap bridging loan, so you must return it in whole when your previous home finally sells and closes. How does Knock make a profit? They profit the same way that lenders do. They assess a 1.25% service charge on the new mortgage of the home swap, which is comparable to the initiation cost charged by other lenders. Knock, like many other lenders, sell your loan in the secondary market after it closes. This sale will not charge you any, and it will have no bearing on your lending rates or terms. All that it implies is that you'll be sending your mortgage loan payments to probably a different servicer. Knock receives a fee from the secondary mortgage market bidders for the loan's rights. In the mortgage industry, that's how most lenders earn a profit. Knock costs are calculated based on the value of your new home. So let's suppose you're planning to buy a $400,000 home. Knock fees along with a $5,000 facility charge could cost a total of $6,450 before the settlement costs in this scenario. Even though knock frames its payment as compared to a mortgage origination fee, most lenders only cost 0.5 to 1% of the amount borrowed. If your mortgage is worth $300,000, for example, you'd pay $3,750 to knock versus $1,500 to $3,000 with a different loan company. What's the difference between a knock and an iBuyer? You may be wondering how knock differentiates from other iBuyers such as Open Door or OfferPad. While iBuyers and knock both provide convenience and affordability, knock's trade-in approach is tailored to customers wishing to sell their house and purchase a new one at the same time. iBuyers can only assist you in selling your house by purchasing it. When you utilize knock, you'll save money by simply needing to pay one mortgage, moving only once, and not trying to contend with closure or complications. If you're willing and able to invest for convenience, it makes the procedure go way faster. None of these is something iBuyers can provide. Will it be required for you to pay 2 mortgages? You'll cover your new home's mortgage, resulting in quick equity, while knock will finance your old payment for up to 6 months using the knock equity advance. You'd have to deal with uncertainties and the possibility of conflicting mortgage payments if you went through a standard transaction. Knock's Home Swap plan will offer an extra mortgage payment, alleviating your concerns and facilitating the entire procedure. What happens if your house isn't sold on the open market? You'll have the alternative of accepting knock's backup proposal if your house doesn't sell on the open market after 6 months. While knock's backup offer gives you peace of mind, locating a buyer on the marketplace is significantly superior. Is it possible to purchase a new construction via the home swap? Without a doubt. As long as the builder pays for the building costs before the closing, everything is fine. Most large builders do this. Once they've received your application, you'll want to explore certain particular aspects related to new construction transaction, varies with time to construct, related to pre-approval regulations and rate locks, with a personal knock mortgage loan advisor. Is the home swap applicable to condos and townhomes? Absolutely. The home swap could be used to purchase condos, townhomes, and single-family homes as long as they are used as your principal residence. Will my house be accepted into the knock home swap? The knock home swap applies to the majority of households. If a house is in a 55-plus community, has major water problems or foundation damage, it won't be approved. Or if there are not many recent sales data to compare your home in the nearby area, has unpermitted modifications, or is in a troubled sale or bank-owned, it may be difficult to qualify. However, if you are the owner of your home and it is in excellent condition, then it shouldn't be an issue for you. Simply just give it a shot, see if it works. Why do consumers love knock? Hundreds of knock reviews claim that the property swap program helps consumers find their dream houses in competitive markets while reducing the burden of selling their homes at the same time. Knock is presently accessible in 50 metro areas across 10 states in the United States. You can register with financing with knock just like any other lender if you live in an authorized service region. Your following step is to choose a real estate agent if knock validates your application. Reviews of the knock home swap. On Zillow, knock.com, it's rated 4.8 out of 5 stars. Knock has a B+ ranking with only 5 complaints despite not being certified by the Business Bureau. Knock home swap ratings are mostly positive, praising the program's simplicity, customer support, and transparency. You might also want to note that consumers also claim that Knock's bridge loans help businesses stand out in an intense competition by making cash-like, non-contingent offers. Knock's service quality is so good in some circumstances that it has won over clients who were first hesitant. Now, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps our videos reach more buyers and sellers looking to understand the real estate process. And now I want to turn it over to you. Would you be interested to see if your home qualifies for a knock home swap? Comment below and we'll be more than happy to help. Also, all of our contact information is below if you want to reach out. Email us, call us, text us, whatever you like. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.